we're getting a good look at XPENG right now. So right now there's been a lot of great news about XPENG and NIO. So actually before I continue though, this video is strictly educational. So any information in this video is strictly educational, and any investment or trade that you make is at your own risk. But yeah, it made a huge retracement after hitting 74.44. So right now I want to. It seems like it might be. We're trying to figure out if there's an opportunity to actually make some money here, like maybe get a new entry. But right now it is really hard to say right now because it did break trend, but so I want to know how it's going to react. So I do see the patterns, I do see opportunity here, but looking at the relative strength index, it doesn't seem like it's done yet. Which it could be. Maybe it is wrong, maybe it's not. But ultimately, I believe looking at this, it looks like there's more room to drop. But how long does this drop go before it decides it wants to turn around? That we'll have to wait and see. But overall, it seems like there is a lot of strength within this company. This company has a lot of room to grow, and based on some recent news, I saw that they have their own charging stations set up at airports and everything now. So you have to do your own research at this point, though, as far as that goes. I'm just doing more the technical analysis, but yeah, go ahead and do your research fundamentally and just decide for yourself if this is a company for you for the long term. Because ultimately, this is what we're looking at. I'm looking at the long-term opportunities. I'm already in early though. But ultimately, what do you think based off of this analysis? I mean, do you believe it's going to go up or down? Because right now, I will say I'm kind of neutral at this point. But if you would like to get involved with this stock and you're not involved with stocks currently, there is a link in the description that'll help you get a broker with Webull and Robinhood. So go ahead and check that out if you want to get some free stocks as well. And go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this video and comment if you have any questions.